Hi guys!
Sup?
Hi guys.
Sup?
Today is Black Friday, aka my sister's birthday, aka Black Friday. And I live in Canada, so the deals aren't as crazy as it is in America. We have something called Boxing Day, so that's the day after Christmas, and that's when we have our sales. So I still bought things for Black Friday, but not that much things. Most of it is like stuff I bought for Joy or stuff Bernadette bought as well. But yeah, this is all we got today. I just wanted to do a little haul. So I shopped at all these stores, and first we're gonna go with Forever 21 because you can never go wrong with Forever 21. So the deals at Forever 21 was 21% off of your whole purchase, which isn't that much, so we actually just went to the clearance section. First, we got this crop tie shirt for Joy.
It says Bonjour.
It says Bonjour. Bonjour. And then second off, we got this green jacket that I thought Joy would probably like and would look cute in. Second, we went to ARITZIA and we didn't really buy anything for ourselves, but we got something for our mom. She was talking about how she wanted a hat, so we got her a TNA hat with a pom-pom on it. Boop. It's like plain black, it's hella thick, so it will be good for winter. And we also got her gloves, like little mittens for the winter. Yay! Next, we went to Garage. Garage is like literally all my clothes are from Garage. Like almost all of it. Bernadette got this crew neck sweater, this red crew neck sweater. Red crew neck sweater. And then I got this sweater with like thing here. I don't know what to call this. The sales here was 40% off of regular price items. And the last store we went to is the Body Shop. The whole store, everything in the store was 40% off on regular price items. And I got this candle called Enchanted Forest. Scented candle, and it smells but it smells really good. The store is 100% vegan, so animal cruelty free. Smells good. Does it smell good? Yeah. The face is like huh? Never mind.
Yeah, that's just my normal face. Why are you
we got this.
Normal face?
Focus on me.
Pho.
We also got pho today. It's Bernadette's birthday. aka Black Friday. And I got this vitamin C exfoliator. Next, I got a vitamin E serum since I don't have serum and I just wanted to try a new serum. Ignore my crusty nails. And lastly, we got tea tree oil, which is essential. I use this for my acne. I'm on my 4th bottle right now of it and I'm almost done. That's literally everything I got, or we got. And yeah, that's all. Hopefully there'll be a better haul for Boxing Day. I might do Cyber Monday, depends on how the sales are. Another Yesstyle haul is coming soon. Currently my package is stuck in Canada Post somewhere because of the strike. So I don't know when I will be getting that package. It's just there somewhere. And yeah, that's all I got. Thanks guys for watching. This is my Canadian Black Friday haul and hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. This is so awkward.
So awkward.
I know. I'm just gonna take a screenshot because I'm too lazy.
Oh my god, stop. Don't. Ew.
I like making you cringe. Da na 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 da 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 na 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 na. La 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 laughing rose. Ooh, da na na na. Peace out.
There's still
Girl
no
Scout.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, tell me that talk can never win the lie. Oh, tell me that rock can never win the ride. Baby, tell me that we gon' someday stop the fight. And tell me that everything gon' be alright. Oh, tell me who's stupid, baby, has a me or them. Just tell me who's insane, baby, has a me or them. In this crazy world, after patience, could we get the pearl? But this world was teaches me, preaches me how to curl.